Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Dodge Dart in neutral using an easy manual method. This technique is especially helpful if your vehicle has a dead battery or no key, allowing you to move it for towing or service. You will need a small, flathead screwdriver to access the shift-release mechanism. Let's get started with the first step. First, locate the gear shifter console in your Dodge Dart. You'll need to carefully remove the rubber storage tray liner or the front part of the shift lever bezel. Gently pry it up to disengage it from the housing. This action will expose the shift lock override mechanism, which is usually a small white lever or button located near the base of the shifter. Now, with the shift lock mechanism exposed, insert your small flathead screwdriver into the designated access slot. You will see a small white override release lever. Push and hold this lever down firmly. Simultaneously, ensure you are pressing and maintaining firm pressure on the brake pedal. This combination of actions will prepare the shifter for movement. With the override lever held down and the brake pedal pressed, you can now move the gear selector from park into the neutral position. Visually confirm that the gear indicator clearly displays the letter N, signifying that your Dodge Dart is successfully in neutral. For safety, always engage the parking brake immediately after shifting to prevent any unintended movement of the vehicle.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.